એટલે ઓલા બેને કીધું I can do that. I'm not very technical, but I think I'm ready to install now. What do I do first? તો તમને અહીં અમુક વર્ડ આપ્યા છે જે સાઈડમાં પોપઅપ થાય છે, એના ઉપરથી તમે અંદાજો લગાડી શકો કે શું કહેવાનું. એમાંય ન ખબર પડતી હોય તો નીચે ગુજરાતીની લાઈન છે જ ડાયરેક્ટ ટ્રાન્સલેશન. અને હવે ઘણાને તો લોચો છે કે વાંચતા જ નથી આવડતું, એના માટે એની ઉપર ટ્રાન્સક્રાઇબ કરેલી લાઈન છે, સમજાણું? એમાંથી વાંચીને ટ્રાય કરી લેવાની. હવે નેક્સ્ટ, the first step is to open your heart. Have you located your heart? Yes, I have, but there are several programs running right now. It is okay to install while they are running. What programs are running, ma'am? Let me see. I have pasthurt.exe, lowesteem.exe, grudge.exe and resentment.com running right now. No problem, love will automatically erase pasthurt.exe from your current operating system. It may remain in your permanent memory, but it will no longer disturb other programs. Love will eventually overwrite low esteem with a module of its own called high esteem. However, you have to completely turn off grudge.exe, resentment.com. These programs prevent love from being properly installed. Can you turn them off, ma'am? I don't know how to turn them off. Can you tell me how? My pleasure. Go to start menu and invoke forgiveness.exe. Do this as many times as needed until grudge.exe and resentment.com have been completely erased. કે જ્યાં સુધી આખું ઇરેઝ ન થઈ જાય, ડિલીટ ન થઈ જાય, ત્યાં સુધી કર્યા કરવાનું. શું કરવાનું છે ત્યાં સુધી? બોલો. Okay, I am done. Love has started installing itself automatically. Is that normal? Yes, it is. You should receive a message that says it will reinstall for the life of your heart. Do you see that message? Yes, I do. Is it completely installed? Oops, I have an error message already. What should I do? What does it say? It says error 412, program not run on internal components. What does that mean? Customer service representative એવું કહે, don't worry ma'am, that's a common problem. It means that the love program is set up to run on external hearts but has not been run on your heart. It is one of those complicated programming things, but in non-technical terms, it means you have to love your own machine before it can love others. So what should I do? Can you find the directory called self-acceptance? Yes, I have it. Yes, you are getting good at this. Thank you. You are welcome. Click on the following files and then copy them to my heart directory: forgiveness.doc, self-esteem.txt, realizeworth.txt and goodness.doc. The system will overwrite any conflicting file and begin patching faulty programming. Also, you need to delete selfcritic.exe from all your directories and then empty your recycle bin afterwards to make sure it is completely gone and never come back.
I'm spinning up 3% need file.
Yes.
Smile is playing on my monitor right now and
Yes.
it show that bounce.com. Please
Listen to
press
Nine.
please content manager are copying themselves all over my heart.
Then love is installed and running. You should be able to handle it from here. One more thing before I go. Love is freeware. Be sure to give it and its various modules to everyone you meet. They will in turn share it with other people and they will return some really neat modules back to you. I will thank you for your help.